How to dominate in Arena of Valor. First, do your own research. Refer to current meta and tier lists to identify the strongest heroes in each role. If you are not able to do that, you can try to search for or try mastering a few beginner friendly heroes like Valheim, Gildor, or Fennec. During your games, constantly monitor the minimap to track enemy movements and prevent ambushes. Place wards in strategic locations to gain vision over key objectives like the dragon or dark slayer. Focus on last hitting minions to maximize your gold income while minimizing damage taken. Learn the optimal order for using your hero's abilities to maximize damage output or crowd control. Use the ping system to alert your teammates about missing enemies, engage signals, or retreat calls.